few months ago, I wrote a post on my blog all about how I make an eggshell face scrub, and as weird as that sounds, it's actually really good, very easy to make, and it's one of the main ingredients that I use in one of the face balms that I make. So today I thought I would share that recipe. I start off with one of my skincare jars. This is usually one of the ones that I use for masks or cleaning balms. It takes about 50 ml, and from there this is the rough recipe that I stick to. I'll use 1/4 powdered eggshell, 1/4 green clay, 1/4 oil, and 1/4 of a heavy butter. These can be whatever you want. The main things that I stick to are the powdered eggshell and the green clay, but for the oils it could be a mixture. It could be rose hip, it could be almond oil, it could be any face oil that you prefer. And then for the heavy butter, I tend to use either hemp oil or mango, but again, it can be whatever you want. It's the consistency that we're looking at here. The reason I add the butter and don't just stick to the oils is because the clay in the eggshell will end up collecting at the bottom of the jar almost instantly, and it makes the whole process a really greasy, messy disaster. So to make it more creamy and less liquid, I melt down the butter, in this case hemp. I'll add it to the eggshell, green clay and the oils, let it cool, and then mix it all together into a paste. This way it's all held together and means I can scoop up a small amount on my fingers at the end of the day, work it into my skin, leave it to sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe it off with a warm face towel. With a pot this size, if I use it between once to twice a week, it will last me 3 months before I've used it all up and need to make another one. Why I like it is because it's so simple to make. It exfoliates, cleanses and moisturizes all in one go. There's as little faff as possible, and I like that I can experiment with loads of different oils and butters each time. As usual, a special thanks to my patrons. If you want more details on the ingredients that I used for this video, I'll have more information on the blog post, and I'll have a new video for you soon.